Hello, and a very warm welcome to all the Moroccan second baccalaureate students joining us today. Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Today, we are looking at a beautiful and really important topic, the gifts of youth. We are going to learn some wonderful words that describe the amazing qualities you already have inside of you. Let's take our time and learn these together.
First, let's look at the big idea. What is a noun? A noun is a thing or it is a quality. And what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a person. Why is this important? Because learning both of these is the secret to describing yourself and others on your English exam. If you know the noun, you can easily find the adjective. Let me show you how simple this is.
Let's start with a very powerful gift. Think of a rocket taking off into the sky. And this brilliantly illustrates our first word. The noun is ambition. Ambition. Now the adjective is ambitious. Ambitious. Listen to how the sound changes at the end. Ambitious means you have a strong desire to succeed. You want to go high and reach for the stars. To reach the stars, you need our next gift. It shines bright like a glowing light bulb. The noun is creativity. Creativity. And the adjective is creative. Creative. Being creative means you are able to create new ideas. Look closely at how the end of the word changes here. The ity drops away, and we add ive. Now, what helps you bring those creative ideas to life? Just like a runner moving fast, you need the noun energy. Energy. When you are full of energy, you are energetic. Energetic. This is a very common quality. And it is a great quality for young people to have. It means you love to move, you love to play, and you are full of life. Sometimes, though, things get difficult. Let's move to and see how this builds into our next word. When things are hard, you need the heart of a brave lion. The noun is courage. Courage. If you have courage, your adjective is courageous. Courageous. In simple English, this means being brave. You are not afraid even when challenges stand in your way. When you are courageous, people know they can put important things safely in your hands. This brings us to the noun responsibility. Responsibility. The adjective is responsible. Responsible. This is such a wonderful quality. It means you can be trusted. Your teachers and your parents know they can count on you to do your duties with care. All of these incredible qualities help you shine brightly, just like a star. This brings us to the noun talent. Talent. The adjective is talented. Talented. Talented means having a natural skill. And I want to tell you, every single one of you has this quality. You are all talented in your very own unique way. When you know your talents, you can stand tall like a superhero. The noun here is confidence. Confidence. The adjective is confident. Confident. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the spelling change at the end. The CE changes to a T. Being confident means you are completely sure of yourself. You believe in your own abilities. When you are confident, you can climb any mountain all by yourself. The noun for this is independence. Independence. The adjective is independent. Independent. This means you are able to do things alone. You do not always need help. Let's say it slowly together. Independence. Independent. So, the crucial point is putting this knowledge together. This will help you easily pass your exams. There are clear, simple patterns happening here. If a word ends in ion, it often becomes ious, like ambition to ambitious. If it ends in ity, we drop it and add endings like e, like creativity to creative. And if it ends in ence, it becomes ent, like confidence to confident. And here is my special secret for you to do so well on your English exams. We call it the golden rule. When you learn a new noun, always learn its adjective form too. Spot the pattern in the ending. If you look for the pattern, you can master many words at once. It makes learning vocabulary so much easier and a lot faster. Look at all the wonderful tools you now have from this explainer. Ambition, courage, talent. You now have the exact words to describe all the great qualities of youth in English. Keep up the great work and believe in yourselves. I want to leave you with this final question today. Which of these powerful gifts are you going to share with the world first?